The DJI Pocket 4 is taking the internet by storm after a leaked clip spread across X, leaving creators split on whether the footage is authentic or AI-generated. But one thing is clear, the excitement is real. This tiny camera looks like DJI's most ambitious upgrade ever. Sleeker, lighter, and reportedly packing a powerful dual-sensor system with a rumored 1-inch 50-megapixel primary sensor. The Pocket 4 seems engineered to push portable filmmaking into a brand new era. Add a boosted battery, more advanced stabilization, and smarter real-time image processing, and suddenly every vlogger, traveler, and filmmaker has something to dream about. There's also talk about a mysterious second screen that might display settings rather than act as a preview. With all these new leaks, creators are buzzing non-stop. Today on Technify, we're diving deep into how the Pocket 2, Pocket 3, and Pocket 4 stack up, and why the Pocket 4 might become the ultimate compact creator tool. DJI has been refining the Pocket series for years, but the jump from the Pocket 3 to the Pocket 4 looks like the biggest leap the lineup has ever seen. To understand how significant the rumored upgrades are, it's important to compare all three generations. Starting with displays, the Pocket 2 launched with a modest 1-inch LCD touchscreen. Small, basic, and functional. It gets the job done, but it never offered the comfort or flexibility creators today want. Then came the Pocket 3, bringing a dramatically improved 2-inch rotating OLED screen. This alone transformed user experience. The larger display made framing easier, colors looked more accurate, and the swivel mechanism added real flexibility when shooting from unusual angles. The Pocket 4 looks set to continue that direction. Leaks show a similar 2-inch OLED design, but reportedly with even better brightness, richer colors, and improved visibility outdoors. The more interesting detail is not the main screen, it's the rumored secondary display. Early leaks suggested it might serve as a preview monitor, but those claims have mostly been dismissed. Instead, it looks like DJI may be adding a miniature data screen for quick access to settings, recording modes, or exposure info. Something creators have been wanting for a long time. Now moving to sensors, the heart of any camera. The Pocket 2 came with a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 64 MP stills and 4K 60 frames per second video. It was solid, especially for its time, but its low light performance and dynamic range were limited. The Pocket 3 took a major step forward with a full 1-inch sensor, offering cleaner footage, better colors, and smoother slow motion at 4K 120 frames per second. The Pocket 4 could raise the bar even higher. Its rumored dual sensor system is the most exciting part of the leaks. The main sensor is expected to be a 1-inch 50-megapixel powerhouse. The secondary sensor is said to be a 1/1.3-inch unit, and possibly a square format 13.2mm sensor. Why does that matter? Because a square sensor opens the door to true, uncompromised vertical video. Unlike rectangular sensors, which crop and lose quality in vertical mode, a square sensor captures both vertical and horizontal orientations at full resolution. This is huge for short-form creators. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels dominate the online world, and creators constantly struggle with framing decisions. A square sensor removes that limitation. You shoot once, and decide the orientation later. No quality loss, no compromises, no awkward reframing. If DJI really embraces this innovation, it could redefine mobile filmmaking and make the Pocket 4 the go-to tool for social-first content creation. Next, stabilization. DJI's stabilization hardware has always been impressive, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce a new level of smoothness. The Pocket 2 relied on a traditional 3-axis mechanical gimbal, effective but limited. The Pocket 3 then improved tracking performance with SmartTrack 6.0, giving smoother subject locking during movement. The Pocket May 4th introduce a 4-axis magnetic levitation gimbal, paired with an AI-driven prediction algorithm. Magnetic levitation could reduce friction, increase responsiveness, and make motions feel more controlled, especially during fast movement or sudden direction changes. Combined with AI smoothing, this could lead to footage that looks almost unreal in consistency. Battery performance is another confirmed upgrade through the FCC filing. The Pocket 3 features a 1,300 mAh battery. The Pocket 4's certification paperwork shows an increase to 1,545 mAh. That may not sound dramatic, but on compact cameras, even small boosts affect shooting time, heat management, and overall reliability, especially with higher resolutions and dual sensor processing. Speaking of the FCC, its database is the strongest hint that the Pocket 4 is nearly complete. The model number OP041 matches earlier leaks, confirming DJI is in the final stages of certification. While the filing includes no leaked images, the documentation tells us the hardware is locked in and ready for release. The transcript then shifts to an entirely different category. The emergence of the One, a viral 360-degree drone that captures everything around it, allowing users to choose camera angles later in editing. Instead of worrying about orientation, pilots simply fly, and the camera records every possible direction at once. This has blown the minds of beginners and professionals alike. The footage feels freeing, fresh, and modern, like exploring, not operating. And DJI has noticed. Leaks indicate the upcoming DJI Avata 360, a response to the One. But the philosophies differ. The One acts like a 360 camera that happens to fly, prioritizing simplicity and creativity. DJI's Avata 360 appears to be an FPV-style drone adding 360 capability, meaning it could be faster, more manual, and more powerful. The competition between these two concepts could reshape the drone market in the same way the Pocket may reshape handheld filmmaking. Together, these innovations suggest one thing. Filmmaking tools are entering a new era where creators have more freedom and fewer limitations than ever before. The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting creative tools in years. With its rumored dual sensor system, upgraded stabilization, larger battery, and the potential introduction of true 4K vertical capture, DJI seems ready to push compact filmmaking into bold new territory. Every leak, every rumor, and every FCC hint points toward a camera designed for modern creators, vloggers, travelers, filmmakers, and anyone who wants maximum power in the smallest possible setup. As DJI finalizes certifications, the launch feels close, and anticipation keeps building. If the Pocket 4 delivers everything these leaks suggest, it could become the most significant Pocket Series upgrade ever made. Thanks for watching Technify. Stay tuned for more breakdowns, comparisons, and deep dives into the world of cameras and creator tech. Big innovations are coming, and we'll be here to cover them.